Hi everyone, as I've stated before, March is National Kidney Month, and I'll be doing a recipe once a week for kidney disease awareness. So tonight's recipe I'm getting out of the Good Cooking for the Kidney Disease Diet book. And I'll be making beef and broccoli burritos. What all goes into the beef and broccoli burritos? 1 cup cooked rice, and I'll be making that this morning. 1 teaspoon olive oil, 3-ounce shredded or beef strips, and what I plan on doing, I'm taking this eye of round roast, I'll be throwing it into the crock pot, cooking it all day, and then I'll shred it. That way I know that it has no extra additives to it. 1/2 cup broccoli trees, 1/3 cup sliced carrots, and I only have baby carrots, so I'll be slicing those up. 1 teaspoon of chili powder with extra, 1 dash of cumin, 1/2 cup of water, and 2 burrito tortillas. So let's begin. So I have my crock pot here and I have a liner on. I'm also going to put in my little rack. That'll raise the beef up just a little bit so it don't sit into the water. I'm going to take and trim a lot of this fat off because it's supposed to be a lean for kidney. You don't want all that fat. Now, according to the recipe, you will have strips or shredded that you're supposed to cook. In the recipe, this is already going to be cooked, so I'll just be heating it up when it comes up to that time. Now, I'm not seasoning this because it will get seasoned with everything else when I cook it. And I don't want to add seasoning that is not in the recipe because I want to keep this true to the kidney disease diet. I'll be adding just some water at the bottom so it won't burn. Put your lid on, and you can cook it for about 4 to 6 hours on high or 6 to 8 hours on low. I'm going to start on low, and if it's not getting done soon enough, I'll kick it up to high. So I'll see you tonight to finish up everything else. Take a large saucepan or a Dutch oven, turn on your heat to medium, add 1/2 teaspoon of the olive oil, the chili powder, and a dash of cumin. Add your shredded beef or beef strips. I cooked mine in the microwave for 8 hours, so it is done. And you're supposed to cook until it's your desired doneness. I'm going to cook mine until it gets heated through. So the beef is heated through, fully incorporated with the seasonings. We'll add the 1 cup of already cooked rice, the 1/2 cup of broccoli, the 1/3 cup of carrot strips, and pour in 1/2 cup of water. Stir well, and then turn the heat down to low and cook until the vegetables are tender. So get a big skillet and heat it up. Once it is hot enough, we'll add our burrito shell. All right, then put your burrito shell in the pan, fresh olive oil on it. Sprinkle some chili powder on it. And we'll flip that over to let it cook on that side for 2 minutes. Or we'll oil this side as well. Not going to add chili powder on this side. This will be the outside. Alright, then just flip it over. and let it cook for 2 minutes on that side. All right, so that's been 2 minutes on this side, and we'll move it to a plate. So we have our burrito shell here, and we'll take a scoop of the beef and broccoli mix, put it in the center, and we'll fold this burrito style, sides in, and then put it over. I'll cut that in half and we'll let Dave do a taste test. So again, the beef and broccoli burritos are from the Good Cooking for the Kidney Disease Diet Cookbook. Here we have the beef and broccoli burritos. Let's get Dave to do a taste test.
Smells good. Got broccoli and carrots in there?
It is. It's a beef and broccoli burritos with broccoli, carrots, and rice and beef.
I like this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.